Non-stick cookware is a staple in many modern kitchens for good reason. It makes cooking and cleanup easier, requires less oil, and helps prevent food from sticking. However, non-stick surfaces require special care to preserve their coating and ensure longevity. Improper cleaning techniques can lead to scratches, deterioration, or even the release of toxic fumes if the coating is damaged. Understanding how to safely clean non-stick pots and pans not only extends their life but also protects your health and investment. Cleaning begins not just after you cook, but with how you treat the cookware throughout its usage cycle. Click the link in the description below to get our 100% free top 10 cleaning products list, and our emergency speed cleaning checklist plus bonus. You will also get access to our free community made for women. Before we get to the nitty-gritty, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe to The Big Sweep, and ring that bell so you never miss a new episode. Before any cleaning begins, always allow your non-stick cookware to cool completely. Immersing a hot pan directly into cold water can warp the metal and damage the non-stick coating over time. Once cool, gently rinse the cookware under warm running water to remove any loose food particles. Avoid using steel wool, scouring pads, or abrasive sponges. These can scratch the surface and compromise the non-stick properties. Instead, opt for a soft sponge, a dishcloth, or a non-abrasive nylon scrubber. Even stubborn residue can usually be loosened with a short soak. Fill the pan with warm water and add a drop of mild dish soap. Let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes before gently scrubbing. Most residues will lift easily with minimal effort. For greasy or oily films that cling to the surface, a bit of baking soda can be a game changer. Sprinkle a light layer of baking soda directly onto the damp surface of the pan, then use a soft sponge to rub it in gentle circular motions. Baking soda acts as a mild abrasive and natural deodorizer without harming the non-stick surface. Rinse thoroughly with warm water afterward and dry immediately with a soft towel to prevent water spots or streaks. If your cookware has accumulated a sticky or cloudy residue from frequent oil use, a diluted solution of white vinegar and water can help break it down. Mix equal parts vinegar and water in the pan, heat it slightly on the stove, then allow it to cool before wiping clean. This not only refreshes the surface but also helps neutralize any lingering food odors. Pay special attention to the outer surfaces and the bottom of your pans, as these areas can build up grease stains and burnt-on food that affects heating performance. Use the same soft sponge and a bit of baking soda paste if needed, and always rinse thoroughly. Never submerge the entire piece in water if it has a wooden or non-removable handle, as this can cause swelling, cracking, or rusting around the hardware. In the case of dishwasher-safe non-stick cookware, it's still best to hand wash whenever possible. Even if the manufacturer claims it's dishwasher safe, the repeated exposure to high heat and aggressive detergents can wear down the coating over time. Hand washing preserves the integrity of the pan and gives you more control over how it's treated. Another key to long-term care is what you do after cleaning. Always store non-stick cookware carefully to avoid scratching the surface. Stacking pans, place a soft cloth or paper towel between each one to provide a cushion. Avoid nesting them directly on top of one another, as the weight and movement can chip or scuff the coating. If your pan has a lid, make sure it's dry before placing it on top to prevent trapped moisture from encouraging mold or corrosion. Air circulation is your friend when storing cookware, so avoid cramming them tightly into cabinets. In addition to regular cleaning after each use, non-stick cookware greatly benefits from periodic deep cleaning and light conditioning. About once a month, or more frequently if the cookware sees heavy use, take a few extra minutes to rejuvenate the non-stick surface. Start by ensuring the cookware is completely clean and dry. Then, apply a small amount of high-quality cooking oil such as vegetable, canola, or grapeseed oil onto the interior surface. Use a folded paper towel or soft cloth to gently rub the oil into the surface in slow, even circles. This step helps replenish the non-stick coating's slickness and fills in microscopic pores or wear spots that naturally develop over time with repeated heating and washing. It's important to avoid over-oiling the surface. Once you've rubbed the oil in, take a clean section of the towel and buff off any excess. A greasy or sticky residue can actually attract dust and food particles, making the pan more difficult to clean later on. Alongside this conditioning, make it a habit to inspect your cookware for signs of damage. Look for scratches that expose the base metal, bubbling or flaking of the coating, or any noticeable changes in how food behaves during cooking. If the food starts sticking even with proper use, or you observe pieces of the coating detaching, it's a clear signal that the pan is nearing the end of its usable life. Continuing to cook with degraded non-stick surfaces isn't just frustrating, it can also pose potential health risks if the coating deteriorates into your food. Ultimately, caring for non-stick cookware is less about hard work and more about consistency, gentleness, and respect for the materials. These types of pans aren't built to withstand aggressive scrubbing, metal utensils, or repeated exposure to harsh dishwasher cycles. Instead, they thrive with soft sponges, mild dish soap, and a routine that emphasizes preventative maintenance over emergency deep cleans. Simple steps, like never using sharp tools on the surface, avoiding aerosol sprays that can leave gummy residue, and cooling the pan before rinsing, go a long way toward preserving their function. Establishing a regular habit of thoughtful care means your cookware will continue delivering flawless results, from evenly seared vegetables to perfectly browned crepes. You won't need expensive specialty cleaners or high-tech solutions, just a few mindful practices and the willingness to treat these tools with a bit of extra care. When properly maintained, non-stick pans can be more than just convenient. They become dependable, long-lasting partners in your kitchen, helping you prepare delicious meals with less effort and more joy day after day. Click the link below to get your free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and your free Emergency Speed Cleaning Checklist. And join our free community.